Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix Instagram story music not available in your region. Chapter 1. Update Instagram. To update Instagram, we'll go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. If there is an update available, you can click on it and update it. Chapter 2. Change account type. We're going to try to fix the error by changing the type of account based on the one we currently have. If we have a professional account, we will switch to a personal one. To do this, click on our panel for professionals and then on the top settings icon. Next, click on Preferences. After that, we will see the option to change account type and click on it. From the options that appear, we are going to choose Switch to Personal Account. If you're on a personal account, you can also switch to a professional one. To do this, click on the top drop-down icon and then on Settings and Privacy. Here we're going to use the top search bar to quickly find the option to switch to professional account. Then we will tap on that option and we will follow the steps that appear to configure the account and end up with a professional profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once you've switched to one of the account types, you can go back to the type you had initially set up again, as sometimes this fixes the problem. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.